It is a perfect Florida day for an unboxing. So, the creators of AntMag, the company AntMag, the creators of this incredible product that's in here, sent me an email and said, hey, we'd like to collaborate with you. So this is a free product, as long as I do an unboxing video. But it was actually something I thought, and I still think I could presumably use. And I'm excited about it. Now, these are magnets with little hooks on them that you can put all over the place on your outside of your RV, your motorhome, or anywhere in your house that allows magnets to stick to it to have little hooks on it. I was thinking when they sent me this product, I could use it to hang my outside. I've been having a heck of a time trying to hang my outside lights, my Christmas lighty looking things all over the place. There's just not enough places to attach them to. And I thought some of the droopy spots would be assisted by this product. They did have numerous products and they asked me which ones I wanted. I did say I would like the minis because they hold up to 80 pounds or something like that, and these lights don't weigh 80 pounds. But there was numerous ones in there, like it looked like 12 on their Amazon website. I'm not exactly sure if that's the ones they sent, but we shall see. Oh, I love it when new packages come in the mail. If it is, they're awful tiny because that big box had this little thing in it. I'm hoping there's 12, quite a few, maybe 6, I don't know. These are 80-pound. Oh yeah, there's quite a few in here. Maybe. No, there's 2 in here. They sent me 2 to do an unboxing. What is that? Ooh, some 3M sticky tape. Could always use that. But you know what? 2's enough for an unboxing. So you get these little rings. What are these for? Ooh, we'll figure that out in a second. I want to see how strong these magnets are. He said in the email they will hold up to 80 pounds. Let's get these out of here. We shall see. Yeah, they're strong. I can't pull them apart. There we go. You have to slide them apart. So these are little hook magnets. You should be able to attach to anything metal, which I am, like I said, thinking, whew, lights, right? Oh, okay. Yeah, you can't pull them apart. You have to. They're even hard to slide apart. Yeah, don't get these things close. Oh, you know what it is? They're opposites. So I can't push them together. But when they do stick, yeah, well, you have to slide them apart because that's just too strong. Ooh, you don't want to get your finger stuck in there. I love magnets. Yeah, that's about as close as I could get them. There's something invisible there stopping it from connecting. You could probably magnet fish with one of these things. I bet they sell magnet fishing magnets. This company, AntMag. You could hook a little rope to this and throw it in the river. It would pick up. I bet I can, with this one little magnet, I bet I could pick up a bicycle. It's so strong. Let's connect it to some metal. Okay. Let's leave these little hooks here. Let's walk over here and see. Okay, it won't connect to that. That's not. Let's see if I wanted it to hook. And it won't hook to the side of the RV. So the RV is not metal, so my plans are not going to happen. So we at the moment are just walking all over, seeing what we can stick magnets to.
The thing that ruined the front of my car.
Oh, well, oh, yeah, rub that in my face.
Well, it's metal.
So we got one piece of metal on this whole. I thought this was metal.
No, that's like some kind of plastic bag.
And I thought this was metal.
That's aluminum, I think. All right.
So magnets don't work on aluminum?
I don't think so. I'm gonna.
Before you, okay, I was gonna say before. Don't take this to the laundry room.
I didn't.
Oh, well, we gotta find some metal. I want these. These are some strong magnets. I want to play with them. Well, obviously these things are. They're cool. But I thought I could use them. I thought I had it in my pit when they said, would you collaborate and send, and what ones do you want? I could, what's weird is I could feel it all the way from here. I mean, I could still push them together, but I could feel the force. And then once it gets to about 2 inches away, that's it. They're so fun, right? But man, I am just a little bit disappointed, not in the product, but that my RV is not made of metal. It's some sort of aluminum vinyl something. I don't know what it is, but magnets don't stick anywhere on it except for the door lock and maybe the bumper tailgate thing. That's about it. I'll find something to stick this to. But if you're in need for some magnets like I was thinking, stick this here, hang the string lights through it, and that way it kind of takes them out of the way, because sometimes they're too close to the door. You open up the door and the string lights are sunken down a little bit. Figure this can keep it up high. I like to have a whole row of these magnets just with it strung through all the way down, just keeping them from drooping. But it's not going to happen. But I'll find something to do with these, because like I said, magnets are fun and you can get them wet. You know, popular belief is you can't. What happens when you drop a magnet in water? Yeah, they still work. But yeah, magnets are a blast. So if you're looking for any of these, or check out their page. They have numerous different magnets, and I'll put a link in the description below. Wow, yeah, these things are cool. I love them. I don't know what you would use these for, what these hoops would be for, but I guess you can just, well, why I opened it, I have no idea, because you can click that. But yeah, you can do this, and you got the loop. I don't know, maybe you need a shower curtain thing stuck, maybe your shower does. Man, I am bummed out. Great product, but the use case scenario I wanted to use them for does not exist, at least on this RV. On a lot of other RVs here, probably it does, but mine, no. You know, I want to try something real fast. I want to see if it'll pick up a ladder. One magnet. Will it stick to a ladder? Oh, damn it, it won't stick to a ladder neither. Come on, Mother Nature. Oh, okay, it'll stick to the thing that I put stuff on from Harbor Freight. The thing that hooks into my bumper that I could store stuff. It hooks to that. See what? Oh, you have to slide it off of that too. Yeah, you can't pull it off. Oh, you can. Yeah, these things are strong. Man, they're so cool. I'm definitely going to use them for something. I thought I could use them for a specific purpose I needed, but I can't. So yeah, maybe double magnet fishing. Double magnet. They're little, right? But they hold 80 pounds. That's pretty impressive. They were no joke when they said that. I still don't know why they sent 3M tape. Maybe that's how you have to stick it to non-metal stuff. You put some 3M tape on. That'll work, I guess. Probably not. Anyway, like I said, if you'd like any magnets or anything like that, check out AntMag in the description, or in the link below. I'm going to put in the description. And yeah, you can't tell me magnets aren't fun. Science. Peace, everybody.